First, twist off the cover of the bottle. Second, put the nozzle on the bottle. Third, according to the size of the gap, prepare the mouth of nozzle. Fourth, load the product into caulking gun. Fifth, in application, remove the space locks and excessive adhesive or loose foreign material from the grouting groove. Preferably use the vacuum cleaner for cleaning. Sixth, squeeze about 30 cm volume from the nozzle tip and discard. Seventh, squeeze the grout into the tire groove. Eighth, repeat the grouting if required. Ninth, use a ball shape to press into the groove. 10th, keep it for 16 hours. 11th, remove the excess grout with blade scraper.